Okay, so I got a little ahead of us on the cage stuff. I ended up just kind of banging it out. Took about a day and a half. Got the A-pillars nice and tight. I'll just kind of show you what we did. We did this style door bars. Basically, they come right out to the edge of the rocker panel. I'm trying to protect the rocker panel on this car. My other car looks like waves all the way down from so many people like running into me with the wheels. So hopefully this should protect that and give me a little bit more protection. It opens it up a lot to give us a lot of room there. And the B pillar was tight enough to be able to actually stitch weld it all the way up. So that's nice and tight. Same with the A pillar, stitch it all the way down and across. So anyways, yeah, that's our fitment on the cage. Kept it super simple. In the rear, landed right back here and tied in the shock towers basically to it. But it didn't land up on top of the shock tower. I didn't really want to disturb that. Plus, we're going to do some more R&D on like bracing and different things. So I just want to leave that alone for now. So we just tied in down there. And then super simple, just a diagonal bar. Basically just what is required for forming the drift. Plus, obviously, the anti-intrusion bars. Those are all done and tucked in there pretty well. Sorry about the weird glare. And that's about it on the cage. The cage is pretty simple. Yes, we are going to add up-downs. I just haven't done them at the moment. I have plenty of metal over there I need to cut to make them up-downs. But we're going to kind of shift directions right now and start working on another part of the car. We're probably going to work on the rear end, getting that to fit tucked in. We did cut the rear off pretty well, so we're going to kind of work on that part right now. But as far as the cage, I just want to show you guys that, hey, we're good to go. This is pretty much how it's going to be. Simple, no gussets, lightweight as possible. And yeah, I mean, triangled on the bottoms, but pretty simple, very straightforward, easy cage. This was kind of weird. We wanted to keep the stock steering column. This is kind of a weird setup. It actually bolts through in the front up there. So the steering column bolts in right there. And then after bolting through there, it goes through to a weird bracket and then up to here. So we are going to shave this though, this transformer looking thing. We're just going to cut all that junk off so it looks normal. And that's kind of one of our other projects for the day. But main stuff is all the rear end and taking it apart and getting it all situated and figuring out how we're going to plate this and cut this and probably rear mount radiator mount and just some good fun stuff. So that's where we're at for right now. So stay with us. That's pretty much it for the episode on the cage. Our next episode is either going to be the over fender part, us cutting the sides, or the rear. So just stay tuned. We're going to do piece by piece exactly how we build the car.